Hello, we are going to see how to use Python in Virtual Universe Pro 4.003. So it is now available as a new language from behavior in code and simulation. I have now two new items. So I'm selecting execute Python code. And then I can write directly Python on here. Let's have a small example displaying a number which is going to be incremented. Okay, just like this. So I can simulate this directly and see the result. Okay, so now I'm going to open a more complex example. This is a robot, and I wrote a small Python script to access the robot. I define a function that let me define the target coordinates and rotations of the tool. This is a goTo function, and I can call it directly for this main loop. And I'll also print a move, which is a number that is incremented for each move. So let's try this. Okay, so as you can see, my small Python code is driving the robot.